Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find this section, almost in the last section with the accounts. Basically, you can do it, of course, using the Google account. You can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, we do not have any accounts added. So let's tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And we just go back to this section, so let's go back again to the accounts and sync, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on more and tap on remove account. Now let's tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and as you can see, basically immediately the account has been removed. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.